Fine, thank you. Nice to meet you again.
Nice
Nice
to meet you myself inside.
Nice to meet you.
In the bond hall. And of course we had the entertainment group that entertained you this morning.
Okay, yeah. For the bond zone, there is about 10 weeks or so.
We want to take this opportunity, Your Excellency, to thank you. A small island nation state like Fiji would not be able to preside over a COP. In this case, COP23, without the assistance of a bigger sister brother. In this case, Germany came to our aid, thanks to you. And we all know that without your assistance, without your help, we wouldn't be able to be here presiding over COP.
Because we are interested in setting up more than up to now the city of Bonn as a UN site, as one of the important UN sites in Europe.